So you might be in a situation where on your Instagram notes, so that little thing on the side of Instagram, your music is just not showing. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, when you make your way over to your Instagram application like this, and you swipe to the side, so just like so, you should be able to see that for some reason your notes at the very top, they're just not showing you any music or anything when you're going through. Now, the way to go and fix this is first of all, tap into your Instagram notes. So you can tap into notes just like here, and you should be able to see, okay, but you should be able to see a little option that shows this little music icon right below it. If that is not there, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to update your Instagram application. So tap inside of your app store just like this. You then want to go ahead and basically swipe down, and you want to go and click on the search bar that's right here inside of your app store or your Google Play Store, and you want to update the particular application. So click right here and type in Instagram. This is by far going to be the easiest way to go and fix this problem, because if this doesn't work, then there's not going to be too many other things that basically will work for you. So go into here and then update your Instagram app. For almost every single person out there, literally when you do this, it will almost always end up fixing the problem. And the reason why this ends up working is because you are just on an outdated version of Instagram. And the reason why it's not even showing you any of the applications or the notes or music or whatever is because it just wasn't updated. So give it a few seconds, update the application, and you should be able to see that music toggle right there. So make your way over back into Instagram, swipe to the side once more, click up here to the little notes panel, and then go and click on the music, and you should be able to finally find the music that you want, and you should be able to insert that music that you want or that you like into this particular application. So that's the main way to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.